Roberts here with my beautiful wife, Angela Roberts, and today the two of us are going to bring you an awesome kettlebell workout. Kettlebell workout for fighters, kettlebell workout for fitness enthusiasts, kettlebell workout for people over 40, under 40, doesn't matter. This is going to be an awesome kettlebell workout sponsored by my beautiful and awesome friends at On It. Listen, if you guys need kettlebells, we put together Funk certified kettlebell packages from On It. We've got beginners, we've got intermediate, we got advanced, and they come in packs of 3, so it's perfect because I will have the workouts to go along with those kettlebells that you purchase. Okay, anyways, all right. So today's workout's an awesome one, actually. I love it. It's a full body workout. We're doing single arm, single leg, single body parts, unilateral training. And we're gonna do each exercise for 30 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds rest. So you're gonna see this is gonna be pretty intense as we're moving from one exercise to the other. What we're doing is we're gonna do all the 5 exercises on the right side. Again, 30 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds rest. And right away, we're gonna switch and do it on the left side. So we need to get that balance. We need to balance strength. And this workout is gonna do it. Build muscle, burn fat. This is a great workout and it's very tough. So Angela and I are gonna take you through a follow along. So grab your kettlebells, get ready, and stay tuned because I got a message for you after this is done. Okay, we're gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So single arm. So what I like to do, again, it's a lower body. So you're not moving your arms, it's more in your lower body. And use that other arm as a fulcrum. Gotta squeeze the kettlebell. Explode up. Squeeze the glutes to the top. I've got this 24, it's a little heavy. And time, good work. Next exercise, single arm rows. Bent over rows. So we're only using that right arm again. Okay, and we're gonna slip back, and we're gonna roll inside. So it's important to keep your core tight. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. And we're not letting the kettlebell drop on the ground, so we're keeping the tension on the arm, which I can feel right now. 10 seconds. Let's go. Keep going. Roll that up. Use those lats. Time. Good work. Wow, I felt that one. You'll also feel that in the arms as well. Next exercise, racked reverse lunges to the right, okay? So we're gonna rack that kettlebell up, clean it up, and then reverse lunge. So let's rack it, and then step back. So you can see Angela's to the side. Good. Step back, use that front leg to push up. Good, keep going. Core's gotta be tight so that you don't fall over. You gotta get nice and balanced. Keep going. Good work, good work. Next exercise, clean and press. I'm gonna coach Angela through this one. As you guys know, I got bad shoulders. So we're gonna clean and press with the right. So I'll coach you guys through this. Good, clean straight up and press, good. So you can see here, Angela's elbows are nice and tight when she cleans. And then once she cleans, she sets up and then presses. Core's tight during the press. Good. Clean, then press. Good. It's like greasing the groove. You want to go fast, but I don't want you to go fast. I want you to really focus on getting to that rack position and then press. Good, excellent, honey. Good job. Last exercise, chest press. Let's get to the ground. And again, we're using the right arm. Good job. Okay, so make sure that when you're doing this too, when you're grabbing your kettlebell, you have your kettlebell to the side and then move it over. Okay, here we go, straight up. Good. Again, make sure that your elbow's at a 45-degree angle. It's not straight out. Press right in front of your, right above your eyes if you can. Really engages the chest. And try to go as fast as you can, depending on how much weight you have. I got a little bit lighter weight, so I can go faster. Good, keep going. Again, press. Good work, okay. Other side now. What we do with the right, we have to do with the left. So let's get back with swings. I'm gonna use the 20s here. Okay, here we go. Right, left arm swings now. So same thing applies, lower body. Use that other arm to help. Bring that kettlebell up. Use your hips to explode up. Breathe. Good. To the side. Good. Try not to lean back too much. It's your glutes that are doing the work here. Your hips. Keep going. Keep going. Good work, honey. Good work, guys. You guys are doing great. Okay, we're rowing it up. We're rolling it up. Again, we don't want the kettlebell to drop to the ground. And listen, if you went lighter or heavier on the right, and you can do a little bit heavier on the left, or lighter on the left, that's okay. Want to make sure we have good form. And the more you do this workout, the more balanced your body's going to be. Oh, that's tough. Keep your core tight, back straight. Row. Row, exhale on the way up. Row. Ah, wow. That's a tough one, man. Not gonna lie to you, that's a tough one. Okay, we're gonna rack and reverse lunge here. Rack and reverse lunge. I don't even know what I used in the first one, but we're gonna rack and reverse. Good, so now step back with the left. Good. One side's gonna be stronger than the other. Core's gotta be tight. Glutes gotta be tight. Down, press up. Down. Use that front leg. Oh, keep going. Good work. Okay, next exercise, clean and press with the left. You do this again, honey? Okay. It's a trooper. Good work. Okay, clean up. Again, clean, and then press straight up. Good. This is one of those, clean, you're working the back too, and a little bit of the posterior chain, because you're using the hips to clean up. If you want to make sure that you don't get this hitting the back of the kettlebell hitting your wrist, keep the elbows tight and really clean it up fast. Good work, honey. Let's go up again, core's tight, press straight up over the head. Good, good job. Last exercise is get on the ground and do the chest press to finish off. Finish strong. Guys are doing great. Again, roll over and then pick it up, straight up, here we go. Back. Doesn't matter where your legs are. It does matter where your elbow comes down. And if you have to change up in the middle, that's okay too. Doesn't matter where your other arm is either. Just press straight up. Straight up. Feel those pecs doing the work. Mind-muscle connection. Keep going. Good work. Oh, you okay? Good job. There you go, guys. That was tough. Again, you can see you got a great full body workout. I'm jacked, man. Anyways, there you go, guys. Take a 1-minute break and then repeat this for 2 to 3 rounds, depending on how much time you have. 20 minutes is perfect. So 2 rounds, this is perfect because you're hitting the full body. Sorry, this thing keeps going off. 3 rounds may be a little bit too much. You may be going a little bit too long. So 2 rounds is perfect. Get a 1-minute break, come back, finish this off, do some abs, and get it done, right? Thank you so much, honey. Thank you, guys. We'll see you on the next workout. There you have it, guys. An awesome single kettlebell workout that you can see works the entire body, helps you to burn calories during and after while building muscle. How did that go for you? How do you feel?
It's great. A lot tougher than I thought it was going to be.
Totally, yeah, very tough. So on paper it looks easy, but when you start doing it and you change up the kettlebells, it definitely challenges you. Which reminds me, if you guys need kettlebells, of course, we've put together these awesome packages that on it. Click the link somewhere in the description and you can get sets of 3, beginners, intermediates, and advanced. And of course, with that, we're gonna hook you guys up with some awesome workouts as well. And if you like that workout, please like it, share it, click the link below. And if you already have kettlebells and you want to get our kettlebell shred program, man, it's an awesome follow along. Angela and I take you through workouts in Thailand, workouts here in Toronto, and you guys are going to love it because, again, it will help you burn fat, build muscle in 28 days. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys for subscribing, for commenting, for telling your friends. Listen, the reason why I do these workouts is for you, because I love you. I love that you support this channel. So thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Anyways, subscribe, click the little bell so that you don't miss another workout. If you haven't clicked that bell, click it now. And I'll see you on the next workout. Get it done.